kids are wore out already, and we ain't even got to the fireworks yet. Oh, peekaboo. Did you have fun playing in the pool?
Yeah. No, we need to get new filters and stuff.
Yeah.
Careful.
You okay?
Yeah. Well, at least you got it on camera.
Mommy, kiss it. You want mommy to kiss it? Mm-hmm. Come here. Mwah. I'll bet her.
Not my ear.
Well, where?
There.
Where?
Yeah.
On the back of your neck? Mm-hmm. Okay. Mwah. I'll bet her.
I better watch the pool, Daddy.
You gotta watch the pool?
That's my phone.
That's your phone? No, that's a pretty cool phone you have.
I got out of my room.
That is good.
Yeah.
See, I'm watching the pool, Daddy. I'm watching the pool, Daddy.
Okay, guys, so turns out I'm a terrible vlogger, and just ignore this freaking alien on my lip. But we have been in the pool, hence the wet hair. But we got in the pool earlier, and now we're just grilling hot dogs and hamburgers as we wait for the fireworks. It's like 6:40 right now, so we have a little ways to go. But we're starving after swimming for a few hours. I wish I would have got that on video, but I'm just trying to soak in as much time as I can and be with the family. But I just wanted to hop on here and share with you kind of what we plan on having with our hot dogs and hamburgers. So let me turn you around and I'll do that. Okay, so I'm supposed to be going keto, but since it's a holiday, we're going to scratch that for right now. So I got some Doritos nacho cheese. Uh-oh. And then some Doritos Cool Ranch. And then here in the fridge, we have some coleslaw and chicken salad. So yeah, we've just kind of been enjoying our day together. We did have Brantley's birthday party. Well, not really birthday party, but a little cake at my grandpa's earlier today. I didn't video it just because, like I said, I was just trying to soak in the moments and the memories. But I plan on doing a what he got for his birthday haul. Well, all of them got a little something. But I plan on hauling that soon. So yeah, just stick around and continue to hang out with us and enjoy the show. Are you gonna roll over for Mama? Roll over. You can do it. Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Oh, there you go. Almost. 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 Don't get mad. Just roll over. Roll over. Oh no.
That's probably why it's getting
You can do it. Okay, we leave that baby alone.
Oh, Daddy, my bubble.
I'm about to give you some. Here, take it, Liam. Liam, here. Daddy's not holding this forever. Here. Liam, take it. Liam, you gotta put it in the thing.
That's some big old bubbles.
Bubble.
Liam, you're spilling it, baby. Watch what you're doing. Get out of it.
Under
Get
my
out of it.
bubble. Yay!
Oh, shit.
What's
They
that?
put them over there? Hell yeah.
I don't think that's these high schools.
Look, fireworks here.
Yeah.
Look, fireworks is here in the picture day.
Zoom up to them.
Hmm?
Thank you.
Where's the fireworks go?
They're all gone. Well, now this shit, that was.
Fireworks in there.
Oh, now they're over there.
There you go. Cut that down. The tree.
Yeah. Are we ready?
Yeah.
What'd you think, Thatchy? You just along for the
Stay
ride?
right there. Don't move.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that funny? Is that funny? You see yourself?
All right.
What do you think? Are you ready?
Go.
Go. You ready to see the fireworks?
No.
No? What you got?
Hey, what's that?
Holy.
A water gun.
You got a juice gun? Say a water gun? Did you have a good party today?
No.
No. Golly.
You like it, baby brother? That's what she meant. I'm watching fireworks. No. Oh, look. Fireworks is on. Fireworks is on red over there.
I see. It's pretty, huh?
It's making bombs. What are the bombs?
React to him.
He said, I don't care.
He don't seem to mind them. You don't seem to mind them, do you, buddy? No. Says, Mom, how I feel. It's none of your business.
I want to stay in your room and watch the fireworks.
Daddy's taking the lazy way out.
Oh, well.
Mommy,
Well, here, get up here. Don't spill that on me.
I watched the fireworks and
They're supporting Biden.
Lord. We got,
Outcast.
yeah.
fireworks here.
We've got them coming from two different directions.
Yay! Look over here. Did you like it, Thatcher?
I think he just likes chewing on your arm. Yeah. He likes chewing on your new bone.
This is lovely.
Oh, and he loves you? Does he love you?
Yeah, Thatcher. Give me a big picture.
Yeah. Big old picture.
Look,
He went.
No, Thatcher did.
Yeah.
Did it scare you? Did it scare that baby?
No.
Why are you only happy when you throw fireworks? I'd have parked this fucking lawn.
Look, found your fireworks.
Okay.
Okay guys, this is going to wrap up this 4th of July vlog. I'm going to finish watching these with the kiddos. Say bye y'all.
Say bye, Thatchy.
Say bye-bye. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Say bye, Brantley.
Bye, Betty.
Bye.